Steve, it's only been a couple of days, but great to have you back on InvestorStream again. Firstly, congratulations on the capital raising of over $20 million at only a slight discount to the 5-day VWAP. You must be very pleased with the outcome.
Yes, thank you. It's great to be back. And yes, all of Lake, and I hope most of its Lake shareholders will be happy with this outcome. It means that Lake is now funded through to the construction financing round in 18 months' time. And with the in-the-money options, the listed options that come due in June, this equates to over 30 million cash. Furthermore, the pricing was particularly pleasing. For those of them who have been watching the share price, it did go up quite a bit recently over the last 2 weeks. And so being able to price it just a little below the 5-day VWAP was an outstanding outcome.
So what does this mean for Lake and where to next?
The key thing it means, as I mentioned, is that we can do all of the studies, deliver on all of our studies and work on our flagship project, Kachi, and get that project up to the construction financing round and then get it into production. I think I've mentioned on previous calls that we have had significant indicative support to debt fund the lion's share of this development because the fact it's in the new energy space and we're using a clean technology with an ESG benefit. The other thing is that because we've got Roth Capital who organise this fundraising, they have very wide, broad access to both clean tech investors, ESG impact investors, as well as natural resources investors. It was great to have some Australian-based institutions, as well as ones from North America and Europe. And this is going to help us both move forward now and as they continue to market, broaden our reach further. They have backed our nearest peer, Standard Lithium, ticker code SLL on the TSXV. And they started supporting them from about middle of last year and were able to assist them move from a 50-70 million market value to over 550 million market value in 7 months. They understand that Lake, like Standard Lithium, are one of the only companies that can actually deliver consistent, high purity products at scale with a genuine ESG benefit. So to be honest, I don't think I could be happier both with this. It does mean we've got a lot of work to do, but it means we can just get on and do it now.
So you've now obviously confirmed the capital raising. In terms of news, what's the next cab off the rank for you?
Well, as I indicated last time, please watch this space. I've flagged the information and the news that'll be coming out from the work with Novonix. And as I mentioned last time, Novonix have increased their inroads into tier 1 names and relationships. That's great from an association point of view. Household name electric vehicles want to see this product in their supply chain. And we're going to be saying more about that in the future. I just don't know when. The market needs to invest in ESG battery materials. And we're going to be saying a lot more apart from just the DFS going forward. This is going to be a very exciting year, 18 months for Lake, its shareholders and the people working with us.
Thanks, Steve. Again, congratulations on the capital raise. And as you say, we'll be watching this space very closely. But as always, thanks for joining me.
Cheers for now.